This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Enable developer options or screencast permission on the phone, then open the laptop app. Do this because direct access avoids permission prompts during recording. Make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi network or plug the phone to the laptop via USB for a wired feed. Once done, grant microphone and screen recording permission on the laptop app. This ensures audio sync and full screen capture without interruptions or system blocks. Next, initiate the connection from the phone. Tap cast or screen mirroring and pick your laptop from the list. Accept pairing prompts to establish a trusted stream. On the laptop app, choose resolution and frame rate. Select 720p/30 fps for lower CPU or 1080p/60 fps for crisp motion, because your capture quality impacts file size and editing. Once connected, verify orientation and audio routing. Adjust phone display timeout and lock rotation so the recorded feed stays stable throughout your screencast. Finally, start the recording on your laptop. Watch CPU and disk usage so you don't drop frames, and test audio levels before you perform long takes. When finished, stop and export as MP4 or MOV. These are widely compatible for editing and sharing. If you see lag or black frames, switch to a USB connection, lower the resolution, update display drivers, or close background apps to reduce load. One key troubleshooting tip: restart both devices and repair if the cast fails to appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.